Hello everyone, Avneet here from PlanetSpark. Welcome to part 2 of Factorisation. In today's video, we'll define factorization, explain its importance in simplifying the expression. We are also going to learn factorization by grouping terms, and we'll factorize expressions involving variables and constants correctly. So before we start with factorization, let's understand what is factorization. Factorization of a polynomial is a process of expressing a polynomial as a product of two or more simpler polynomials, such as their product gives the original number. For example, if I tell you to factorize 12, 12 can be written as 3 into 4. 3 and 4 both are the factors of 12. Also, 12x can be factorized as 3 into 4x. 3 into 4x, 3 and 4x are the factors of 12x. So now let's learn how to factorize by grouping and regrouping. Now we are given 6x bracket 2x minus 1 plus 7y bracket 2x minus 1. If you see carefully, 2x minus 1 can be taken out common from both the terms. So I have taken out 2x minus 1 common. In the first term I would be left with 6x plus, in the second one I would be left with 7y. So my answer is 2x minus y bracket 6x plus 7y. These are the factors of 6x, 2x minus y plus 7y into 2x minus y. Similarly, the second expression is 2r y minus x plus s into x minus y. If you observe carefully, the difference between y minus x and x minus y is of the negative sign. So what we have done is we have taken out the negative sign common and we have written x minus y as y minus x. We have changed the sign. Now y minus x will take out common. So we would be left with 2r bracket y minus x. Coming to the next question, 5 bracket x minus 2y plus 3 bracket x minus 2y. Again, x minus 2y, the entire bracket is common. So we are left with 5 plus 3. And 5 plus 3 gives us 8. So my answer is going to be 8 into x minus 2y. Moving on to the next question, qr minus pr plus qs minus ps. First two terms, if you'll see carefully, we can take out r common from first two terms. And from the last two terms, we can take out s common. So taking out r common from the first two terms, we would be left with q minus p. From the last two terms, we are taking s common. Again in the bracket, we are left with q minus p. Now q minus p, the entire bracket, we can take out common and we would be left with q minus p bracket r plus s. So basically, we are taking out common and factorizing. 1 plus xy plus xy. Now from the first two, 1 plus x, nothing is common except 1. So we have taken 1 common, we would be left with 1 plus x. And in the last two, we can take out y common, so we would be left with 1 plus x. Now 1 plus x, the entire bracket is common and we are left with 1 plus y. Moving to the next one, ax plus ay minus bx plus by. From the first two terms, a is taken out common. In the bracket, we would be left with x plus y. And from the last two, we have taken out minus b common. We would be left with x plus y. X plus y, the entire bracket is common. So x plus y bracket a minus b is my answer. Seventh part, 6xy plus 6 minus 9y minus 4x. Now in this case, if we try and grouping out, nothing is, if I take out 6 common, I would be left with 6 bracket xy plus 1. And from the last two, I cannot take out common and the same bracket is not coming. So we need to rearrange to make the brackets same. Let's try to rearrange. What we have done is we have changed the positions of minus 4x, minus 9y and 6. Now from 6xy minus 4x, we can take out 2x common. Inside the bracket, we are left with 3y minus 2. And from minus 9y plus 6, we have taken out minus 3 common. So inside the bracket, we would be left with 3y minus 2. Now 3y minus 2, entire bracket is common. So we would be left with 2x minus 3. So this is the way we need to rearrange and find out what we have to take out common. Next is x square minus 2ax minus 2ab plus bx. Again, if I try to take out common from x square minus 2ax, what is we are going to get is x bracket x minus 2a. But the second one is not going to work out, so we will rearrange. We have changed the position. We have brought bx in front and we will be getting x square plus bx minus 2x minus 2ab. Now from the first two, we will take out x common. We will be left with x plus b. From last two, we have taken minus 2a common. We would be left with x plus b. X plus b into x minus 2a is the answer. So we have learned how to factorize expressions by regrouping. This was Avneet from PlanetSpark. Keep learning, keep growing. Don't forget to subscribe. To book your free demo, check the link in the bio or simply type pspark.in in your browser today. Thanks for watching.